Welcome to Eli's YouTube channel. Eli's YouTube training online presents today this tutorial of installing Xamp, XAMPP, the most popular development environment and fully fledged production server on Windows. We will install it locally, and then how to install WordPress and create your website or blog and test it for free locally on your PC. Step one, what we are going to do now is to download the Xamp. It's not Exam or Xamp. So also we will show you where to download. So what we are going to do now is we will go to www. As you can easily see, to make it bigger, about 120. So this is the address. You can see it and in the comment section. So this is where the address where you can download it. So Xamp, Xamp or Xamp, I don't know exactly how to pronounce this. It's the most popular PHP development environment. It's a development environment and completely is free and easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl. The Xamp is open source. Package has been set up to incredibly easy to install and use. So what you should do is you should choose what kind of operating system you might have. We have a Windows 10, so we are going to use the Xamp for Windows. There is Xamp for Linux. There is Xamp for Mac OS. So what we do is we download now this one, and then while it's continuing, then we continue also at the same time. We should go also to WordPress, wordpress.org. You can go after that. You can simply let me go back. This is wordpress.org. So you come to WordPress. So when you come to WordPress, top right is a get WordPress, and here you download the latest version of WordPress, of course, and it started already the same way as Xamp. Yep. So both of them are continuing. So after they download, we should simply go and install. Before downloading, as I said, Xamp, then you should choose your preferred operating system. They have all the operating systems now. So you should go to apachefriends.org. WordPress, we want to wordpress.org, and we download it, and probably we will install first. Before we install, then we should go, we will unzip, copy and paste at the HTTP docs folder in the Xamp. Who is our intended audience or target? Students or anyone who has who has wanted to learn web development and create production environment for testing. So this is an easy way where you can easily create a production environment or web development environment where you test whatever HTML or PHP, whatever you want. In our case now, we are going to install WordPress, which is a content management system, one of the most popular one, and running almost 43, I think, if I don't make a mistake here, 43% and almost 65% under the category of content management system, 65% after all the others like Joomla and all the others. So this is very important. So students, so we will create this production environment or for web development or whatever you want to do it. So let us check now. Have we finished? Yeah, this is finished now. So let's go and open the show folder. The folder is here. So I take this one. I created another folder, and the folder is Xamp. WordPress is already there, so we have downloaded already. Paste. What we should do now is we will install now Xamp for Windows. We follow the instruction, of course, and then proceed from there. That's the it's just turning now. It's coming, so we should proceed from there. In the meantime, we should ask you to subscribe and like it, so we should say yes, and then whenever there is any new tutorial videos are available, you will be first notified, and it will help us produce more videos that would help many students or many people out there who really need it. So we believe IT training online education should be free. So what we should do here is we take Webalizer and all these fake send mail, all these things, we don't need it. What we need for now is PHP. We don't need Tomcat, we don't need Mercury mail server, we don't need FileZilla. What we need is Apache, MySQL, and Perl, and PHP. And probably we don't even need Perl, but anyway we leave it. So next, this is the folder where the exam will be installed. You can change it by clicking here. We don't do it that. This folder is already existing, so let's check now. PC. So this is, we have to get rid of that one, I think. So here under Windows, yes, it's existing, so we have to get rid of that. Let's get rid of that and then completely get rid of it. Yep, we have done it, so I should have done it. All right, so let's continue now. It will take it. We take the English language, okay, and learn. All right, we next, and then we know Bitmani. All right, so next, so it will continue. Exam is easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl. So Perl is for scripting. So here is the easiest way where you can test whatever you are doing, whether it is you are learning web development or whether you are doing a database or anything else, where you can do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause while this is continuing in order to shorten the video. Thank you. So I'm back. Let's continue and finish the exam on Bitnami. Finish it. So it's gonna finish it now. So exam is now ready. So as you can see in this little tiny window, exam control panel, version 3.3.0. So we are going to start Apache. We're going to start, what we need is MySQL. Yep. And then what we do when we start this, because we don't need FileZilla, is FTP, File Transfer Protocol, Mercury, and Tomcat. We don't need them. What we need is really let's go to the browser and then go to localhost and then see what comes up. So this means exam is already installed, including the Apache, MariaDB, and PHP, and Perl, all these things. And you can also install like WordPress, Joomla, Moodle, Drupal, and Magento. These are also category of content management system. Especially Moodle is used by most of the universities, and it's open source. All of them is free, and you can check the operating the source. So let's go and then config MySQL. This is the browse. No, I don't think so. So let's go. I think this is my first time I'm doing it really. So PHP my admin, I think. I'm not sure. PHP my admin. So let me go back and check this proper. I'll get back to you. Yes, I'm back and I'm fixed. So let's go to exam. And then what we should do is we go to the admin in order to create the database. Admin, PHP my admin will come here. So what we are going to do is to create a database for the WordPress, because we need that. We click new, and I should have gone to localhost PHP my admin, I think. So we create a new database. So the new database will call it test. We should call it simply test for the sake of this. Can't create database. Okay, test is already existing, so I can't do it. So what I should do is demo probably will accept. Okay, demo will accept, yes, because test was already there, so I couldn't create the same name. Yep. So I did it. Localhost is here, so now let's refresh it. So you can see demo is here already existing. What I should do now is to go to Explorer and then go to my HTTP docs. As you can see it, I make it smaller, I minimize it, then I go to downloads. I'm going to unzip. I'm going to unzip the extract all to here. Extract it. It will extract. For the sake of how long it will take, I will pause it for a while in order to minimize video length, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. So let's see the folder. We have unzipped Word version 6.0.1, and then when we have unzipped, we just went to HTTP docs under the Xamp, and then we will simply drop the WordPress here. Right, it is there. What I can basically do is to get rid of everything else, okay, except the WordPress. The rest it can go. So let's maximize it, and then except delete it, and then go to the go to localhost. We created, you remember, we created the database. So we come to WordPress. So WordPress we are going to install now locally. So this is the language, whichever language you are happy with, you can install. There are many choices. So I will go for English United States next. Okay, it will ask you about, well, welcome to WordPress. It needs database name, database username, database password, a database host. So let's go and install. So remember, we created a WordPress under the phpMyAdmin, which was demo, and here is root normally, and here you vacate this one, and then you are good to go. Okay, we have installed. Now we give a name, WordPress demo. Okay, username we simply give admin, and we don't want to take all these long ones, although it is advisable not to use this on a production line online. You should not be doing that. So we just use our own website's email, and then we simply call it WordPress demo admin. Okay, install. Okay, we don't want to save it. Log in. We come into back end of the website, WordPress admin. You remember, this is a local production. Once more, take a precaution, because otherwise, if you're doing online, this is mostly default. So we come to the dashboard now. As you can see it from here, we go to we simply dismiss. We want to get rid of all these things and start fresh. How do we do it? We just go to screen, and then all this we get rid of it. Yeah, all right, we get rid of it, and then go to updates. We don't want this. We simply get rid of it. Plugins, we go to plugins, and then we delete all of them in one go, and then deactivate first, apply, and then select all, and then delete. We delete it all. Okay, So this is the dashboard. As you can see, is a very clean WordPress. So WordPress, if you want to see it online, this is how it would look like. It's just simply this one. Yep. So we come back to the main. So we go to number 1. So this is the dashboard. This is the posts. All posts you can put here. Media, pages, comments, and all these things. Users, and we should go to themes, which is the theme. So there are 3 themes which we don't need them. For instance, if we want to delete, we do this one like that, and the second one as well, we delete it. We really need to start fresh. So we go to add new themes. We can go to new themes. So the themes are here: popular, latest, favorite, features. So whichever you want, you can do it. As you can see here, there are plenty of them, and you can easily suit to your needs. And I hope you can easily find one that gives you the one whatever you need. So there are plenty of here, and mostly you can easily use it for normal things. So let me go. Let me see maybe which one I take. Maybe I'll take this one, and then before I install, I can see it. I can install and then activate, and you can activate it, and it will be really different. Then you start to customize. So this is all local production. Clarifix, install and activate. So you can create whatever you want. WordPress demo. So it's going on, installing. So I think more or less this is a way in which students or anyone who want to create development environment or production server, or that you really want to learn first, test it, and then launch it. There are 3 things you can easily learn it, test it, launch it. But when you are launching, then you should go online, of course. But this is easy way, instead of going to, for instance, online and then buying domain or hosting, configuration, and all these things. You can easily learn here first, and then when you learn, then you can continue whatever you want to. Everyone has my audience or my target group are students who really want studying. Perhaps they can learn in this production environment whatever they want, HTML, PHP, Perl, whatever they want, they can do it here. So we can change a lot of stuff here. For instance, I can change it to WordPress theme tutorial. I can put it there. I mean, we will come back to it anyway, and that is more or less what we are doing. So we remove the other one, April, for instance, and then probably we will make it smaller, hopefully. Okay, let's see. Okay, publish WordPress demo tutorial, and you can add menus, whatever you want. So this is more or less how it would look like. If we go to the website, then previously, and you can change all these things. So you can easily go to and visit the website. The website looks now nicer than before. You can easily change your opening times, emails, the times you are online, and you can change all these things. Opening hours, your location, your booking, you can book, what kind of services you provide. All these things can be done and can be modified and changed. I hope you have enjoyed our tutorial in Elias IT Training Online, and we welcome your feedback. Please subscribe and like it, so when a new tutorial videos are available, to be notified first. Similarly, you can reach us on info@elias.com. You can visit our website similarly, www.elias.com. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.